How does pH affect nutrient uptake? The correct choice is ion exchange. What is the NPK ratio for leaf growth? Did you guess it? The answer is high nitrogen. Why are mycorrhizae fungi beneficial? Time's up, it's phosphorus gain. When should indeterminate tomatoes be staked? Answer, at planting. Where is the best site for a herb garden? Did you guess it? The answer is full sun. How does capillary action work in soil? Did you guess it? The answer is upward movement. What is the primary cause of blossom end rot? The answer is calcium lack. Why is crop rotation practiced in gardens? And the answer is disease control. When is the best time to water vegetables? Did you guess it? The answer is early morning. How does vermiculite improve potting soil? Did you guess it? The answer is water retention. What is the purpose of scarification? Time's up, it's break dormancy. Why is mulch used around fruit trees? The answer is moisture. How is a soil ribbon test performed? The correct choice is hand squeezing. When should spring flowering shrubs be pruned? And the answer is after blooming. What is the function of a seed coat? And the answer is protection. Why do brassicas require molybdenum? And the answer is nitrate use. How does the CN ratio affect composting? Time's up! It's decay rate! What is the effect of gibberellic acid? The answer is stem elongation. How is boron toxicity recognized in plants? Time's up! It's leaf edge burn! Why is basalt dust added to garden soil? And the answer is trace minerals. When is the best time to apply nematodes? Time's up. It's twilight. What is the role of manganese in chloroplasts? And the answer is oxygen release. How does allelopathy help black walnuts? Answer, inhibits others. Why is heat treatment used for seeds? Did you guess it? The answer is virus removal. What is the function of the pericycle? Answer, lateral roots. How do plants sense day length? Here is the answer, phytochromes. Why is copper sulfate used as a fungicide? Here is the answer, denature's cells. When does physiological fruit drop occur? Here is the answer, heavy fruit set. What is the primary carrier of plant sugars? The answer is phloem. How is the wilting point defined? And the answer is low soil water. Why is perlite added to seed starting mix? Answer, aeration. How does rootstock affinity affect growth? The answer is graft success. What is the result of phosphorus fixation? Time's up! It's low uptake! Why are stomata closed during midday heat? The correct choice is conserve water. How do axillary buds respond to pruning? The correct choice is side growth. What is the cation exchange capacity? And the answer is nutrient hold. When is ethylene most active in plants? Time's up! It's ripening! Why is iron chlorosis common in lime soils? The answer is high alkalinity. How is solarization used to treat soil? The correct choice is heat kills pests. What is the purpose of the hypocotyl? Time's up. It's seedling stem. How does cold bolting affect lettuce? The correct choice is seed production. Why are chelates used in fertilizers? Answer, metal uptake. When is a scion collected for grafting? Did you guess it? The answer is dormancy. What is the primary role of abscisic acid? Time's up! It's stress response! How does phototropism affect stem growth? Did you guess it? The answer is bends to light. Why is softwood used for summer cuttings? The answer is rapid rooting. How is soil texture determined by hand? Answer, feel of grit. What is the result of zinc deficiency? Here is the answer, rosetting. Why is humic acid added to sandy soil? Answer, nutrient bond. How is the vascular cambium identified? The answer is growth layer. And that's a wrap. Thanks for playing along. If you enjoyed this, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a quiz. Catch you in the next video.